What's up? Marcus R. Twine here. So, today I'm gonna be unboxing Wild West Ranger. Yes, this is a cowboy set that includes a police badge, air bells, the one I already unboxed previous days ago. I'm gonna unbox the knife, the fake shotgun, and the blasting symbol, the little gun, and also the handcuffs. Let's get this started. Okay, let's get this started. Yep, that's pretty tiny. And I apologize for the noise background. Okay. There's the shotgun. Okay. And a batch. There we go. I'm gonna be working on the hunting. That's a little tiny gun, but you can put bullets with. Okay. This includes the. Okay. Okay. That's pretty much it for the unboxing. Let's put this away. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe. And I will see you YouTubers in another video. Peace. Bye.